Good afternoon and welcome, Mr Mayor, Leader and guests. It gives me enormous personal pleasure to welcome you to our small but socially distanced official opening of the exceptional Fairhaven Adventure Golf. I would like to thank the Fairhaven Project Board who have steered this project forward, fellow elected members and hard-working officers at Fylde Council for their commitment to deliver such a fantastic new facility. Greenspan for the design and construction of such a high-quality facility that we see before us. Well done to them and to everyone involved. I would also like to say a personal thank you to Fylde Council's very own Charlie Richards for bringing this development to conclusion and having project managed it from the very start to completion. Charlie, your steadfastness, along with your commitment, is very much appreciated. Well done and massive congratulations, Charlie.
Everybody who will come will appreciate everybody's good work, and it really is a fantastic facility for Fylde and all our visitors and all our residents to come and enjoy. So again, thank you very much, and I declare it officially open.
My name is Councillor Cheryl Little. I am the Chairman of Tourism and Leisure here in Fylde. Well, it's something completely different. And of course we are the Golf Coast. We've got 6 fully, memorable golf courses. And I thought, why not? Why can't we have that here? And people will come. You build it and people will come. Well, it's created jobs, it's created interest. I've been speaking to people here and they're not from around here, they're on holiday and the hotels are recommend it, so they'll come here and they'll spend the day here. We're going to have a new cafe soon and all the other facilities that people are going to enjoy. There's something for everybody. We need to look at further and say invest in things. So now I know it'll bring money in and then we'll be able to invest in other things. So it's all part of the circle of life. Well, I'm going to run out of superlatives because it's just absolutely fantastic. It's just wonderful. It's so heartening because it's places that I know and it's places of interest and people that come will know those.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. The whole blend of the turf, the landscaping, the features, the lake. It's really come together well. The workmanship, it all blends well into the sort of surrounding environs of Fairhaven Lake, and I think it's going to complement the new restoration project really well.
All of it, I think I mentioned earlier, it's just a reminiscence of all the places, and I know all the different actually the birds is really good because you hear them, and the tree carvings. I think it's all wonderful. There's nothing I don't like. It's wonderful. Somewhere to sit, somewhere to. It's just absolutely fantastic. Honestly, I'm blown away with it.
I mean, they're all really good, but I mean, the Singleton fire station is pretty much the same size as the actual fire station itself, so the actual scale of that is really impressive when you see it. But the detailing on Lytham Hall, the steelwork of the St Anne's Pier is really impressive. Attention to detail by Greenspan. Yeah.